All right, guys, so I wanted to do a quick video showing you what our curriculum picks were for the 2019-2020 school year. We have a 7-year-old, a 4-year-old, and a 2-year-old who like to be included in the school activities. So I will go through and tell you what is all here. For starters, I have my alphabet manipulative type stuff. This is all my ABC materials. Well, not all of them. I probably have a ton more, but these are the ones that I've pulled together. I have the alpha tails. Back here are Play-Doh mats. We've got the shape letter cards, and I've got one for every letter. And then I have Lego letters, both uppercase and lowercase. These are the nonfiction scholastic readers. And we have one for every letter. And then underneath these, I have a bag for each letter that includes a lacing card and 2 small puzzles. One has 3 pieces and one has 2, where they have to match the uppercase and lowercase. Our boys really love using all of these. I have these both for my 4-year-old and my 2-year-old. My 2-year-old absolutely loves lacing, so that is one way to keep his hands busy while we're doing school. So right here I have my reading curriculum and spelling curriculum for my 4-year-old. He is in level 3 for both All About Reading and All About Spelling. These are the readers that go with this. And we did get the student pack as well. I've already prepped the cards that go with that. For my 4-year-old, we are using the pre-reading level for All About Reading. And he is absolutely loving playing with Ziggy. This year we've decided to try a couple curriculum choices from Master Books, and these 2 are from Master Books as well. So we will be doing Story of the World 1 kind of as a family. My 4-year-old will be listening to us read, and my 7-year-old will be doing all of the paper work that goes with this. So answering all of the questions and writing anything that needs to be written. And if there's coloring pages or something that my 4-year-old would like to do, I will make a photocopy and have him do those if he wants, but that will not be required. Master Books just came out with this curriculum. It is simply K. It is their kindergarten curriculum, and I am really excited to try this out with Jackson. It's a 3-day curriculum option, and I will be mixing this in with the All About Reading curriculum. So we'll do this 2 days a week and this 3 days a week. I bought the Children Just Like Me to go with the Story of the World. We'll be reading this book during our morning time. The science curriculum that I chose this year is Elementary Zoology from Master Books. It is for a 4th to 6th grade level, so I am not sure that we will get through this within the year, but my boys, when I asked them what they wanted to do for science this year, they said dinosaurs. And so when I searched dinosaurs online for a science curriculum, this one popped up right away, and I love the fact that it comes from a new world perspective rather than an old world perspective. And I did buy this Dinosaurs for Kids and this Dig a Dinosaur Skeleton kit separately, so those 2 do not belong in it. This book here, How Many Animals in the Ark, the Dinosaur Activity Book, the Big Book of Animals, the Aquarium and Zoo book are what came in that curriculum kit. We got the devotions for beginning readers for Joshua, and he actually, as soon as this book came in the mail, he has been begging to read this book. He would love to go through 4 or 5 of these a day, and it's hard to get him to put this down. So this has been a great decision for our family, and we do this in our morning time. I also got the Smart About series, 50 states as well as presidents for this year, and this will be part of our morning basket as well. I'm just going to read either one state or one president each day, and we will probably rotate this with the just like me children's book. So a change that I have made for this year, instead of doing Math UC, we have switched to the mathematical reasoning series from Critical Thinking Company. And my reason for doing this is not because I don't like Math UC, it's because my son does not like Math UC. It's a lot of repetition and he just got really, really bored with it. He never wanted to do his math and he really struggled with that. And so this book, as you can see, has a lot more color to it. It has a lot more fun, engaging aspects to it, and it brings in that reasoning portion of education that Math UC, I feel like, was kind of lacking in. This one is for my 4-year-old, and then we got beginning 2 for our 4-year-old and level C for our 7-year-old. And they have actually already started this, and if things continue going the way they have been, they both will have finished their book well before the end of the school year and will probably be moving into the next book. So, so far this has been a really good change for us. They are excited to do math rather than dreading it. So that's been a good change so far. We will see how well it works and whether or not they're able to retain information from this. We also do a lot of games that have to do with math. So we play at least one game a day that has mathematical skills in it. That's also part of our math portion of the day, so to speak. And then inside this folder, I have my Family Time Fitness printouts. And this was a one-time subscription, and I just downloaded all the PDFs and went ahead and printed them out and put them in this little folder with the 3-ring holes in it. We don't do this all the time, but if I find that they are having a rough day and they just need to move, we will get this out and I will pull out a few ideas from this. We don't necessarily go, oh, you do this and then this, because it will follow through. You'll have your warm up and then your activity. Sometimes I just flip through and say, oh, that looks like fun. Let's go ahead and do that today. And it works really well. Again, this is my curriculum picks for 2019-2020, and we are really excited to start the school year. And I hope that this video has been helpful for you guys.